Ji, my dear ones, now you will turn your pages to page number 38, and just like the previous page, you have to put the date and day and HW on the top of this page. So we will do this part, learn to listen. Learn to listen. This is very interesting and you have to listen it very carefully. This year, Seema said she did not want any birthday presents. Instead, she saved up some money to buy presents for other people. The picture shows the presents she gave and some presents she did not give. अब यहाँ पे आपको नजर आ रहा है कोई एक girl. She's such a good girl that what she did on her birthday this year, that she didn't buy any gift for herself. उसके बजाय उसने क्या किया, जो उसके अम्मी थे, अब्बू थे, भाई, फ्रेंड, उन सब के लिए उसने गिफ्ट खरीदा और उसको पैक करके अपनी बर्थडे पे उनको एज अ टोकन ऑफ लव उनको दिया. अब आप यहाँ देख रहे होंगे देयर आर सो मेनी गिफ्ट्स एंड सो मेनी स्मॉल बॉक्सेस. नाउ आई विल टेल यू अ लिटिल स्टोरी अबाउट सीमा एंड व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू लिसन इट वेरी वेरी केयरफुली. एंड जो बातें मैं आपको बताऊंगी यू हैव टू लिसन कि मदर के लिए उन्होंने क्या लिया, आपने जल्दी से फाइंड आउट करना है और उस बॉक्स को टिक लगा देना है. और फिर उन्होंने फादर के लिए क्या लिया, यू हैव टू लिसन वेरी केयरफुली एंड देन टिक दैट बॉक्स. एंड फॉर द ब्रदर एंड फॉर हर फ्रेंड. So what you will do, now you have to listen very carefully. Are you ready? Shall we start? Chale ji, let's get started. This year, I had a lot of fun for my birthday. To begin with, I said, no presents. My parents are not very rich and it's difficult for them to buy me presents every year. Instead, I saved up some money over the year and bought presents for other people. Let me tell you about it. First, I got my mother a present. She always wanted a plant for our veranda. So I bought a pot and painted it. Then I planted a pretty plant in it that I got from my friend's house. On my birthday, I gave it to her and she was so pleased that she cried. Then she gave me a big hug and said I was the best daughter in the world. I gave my father a present too. I gave him a large handkerchief. I bought some white cloth and my teacher helped me to turn the edges and stitch it very neatly. I wrapped it up and gave it to him and he was so pleased, and he also said that I was the best daughter in the world. Then I gave my brother Shoaib a coloring book and some crayons. He likes coloring and he had finished all the pictures in it before I came back from school. I had a present for my best friend too. She always wanted a copy of Aesop Fables. She likes reading. So I bought her a book for my birthday and carried it to school in my school bag. And she was so happy. And of course, I had sweets for all of my classmates and they sang me the song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. And I had the happiest birthday of my life this year. जी माय डियर वंस, आपने देखी, आपने सुना ये स्टोरी कितने मजे की थी सीमा की. सीमा was such a good girl. What she did, she sacrificed all the things that she planned for her birthday and gave up all the money and bought some presents for her family and friends. Such a good girl she was. So first of all, what did she bought for her mother? Yes students, so today's lecture was so interesting. I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed teaching it to you. Today we learned so many good things. good things about how to describe a picture, how to write few sentences about any picture, and then what we did, we played the riddle game. So I will give you a small task in this video. आपने मेरी एक दो riddles को बहुत गौर से सुनना है, और जब आप ये कर लेंगे तो आपने हमारे कमेंट बॉक्स में हमें ज़रूर बताना है, हमारे ग्रुप में ज़रूर आके बताना है कि what were the answer of these riddles. Are you ready for a challenge? चलिए जी, जो ये चैलेंज करेगा उसको हम गोल्डन स्टार देंगे. चलिए जी, फर्स्ट रिडल इज, लिसन टू मी वेरी केयरफुली. व्हाट हैज टू हैंड्स बट कैन नॉट क्लैप? द रिडल नंबर 1 इज, व्हाट हैज टू हैंड्स बट कैन नॉट क्लैप? इसका आंसर क्या होगा हमें आपने बताना है हमारे ग्रुप में आकर. एंड रिडल नंबर 2 इज, व्हाट हैज मेनी टीथ but cannot eat? What has many teeth but cannot eat? So you have to answer these two riddles in our group. This is your secret task, and those students who will do this secret task will get golden stars from me. And what we did in the next bit, you listen to the story of a good girl named Seema who did such a good act of kindness. What act of kindness she did? She gave up her money for those people who lived around her on her birthday. She bought her mother a gift, she bought her father a gift, her brother and her best friend, and they all were so happy because of such a good act. तो आप भी एक जल्दी से प्रॉमिस करें कि जब आपकी बर्थडे होगी आपने एक काम करना है कि आपने अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिलीज के लिए भी कोई भी छोटे छोटे से कोई भी गिफ्ट आप दे देंगे. दे विल फील सो प्राउड एंड दे विल फील सो हैप्पी कि हमारे छोटे से ये बच्चे इतने अब बिग हो गए हैं दैट दे टेक केयर ऑफ आवर सेल्व्स सो मच. तो वो इतने खुश हो जाएंगे कि वो आपके छोटे छोटे से इस एक्ट ऑफ काइंडनेस से वो बहुत ज़्यादा हैप्पी होंगे. सो दैट इज इट फॉर टुडे माय डियर वंस. टुडे lecture was very easy and I hope you understood it. This is Miss Iramna. Ji, my dear ones, do remember to like and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon and make sure that you listen to all the lectures that we are sending to you, so that you should not miss any of these important lectures that we are teaching you today. Take care of yourself, family. Allah Hafiz.